Okay, now that you know a little more how to navigate your grades, let me show you how you can really use it to your advantage. So down here at the bottom, it breaks up all of the different categories. So extra material, extra credit, assignments, quizzes, discussions, imported assignments, and total. So you can see here, woohoo, 2 out of 2, 5 out of 5. The rest aren't on there. So once you put your, let's say you expect to get a 5 there, maybe a 10 here, and let's see, we'll give ourselves a 20 here. Wow. But maybe we only got a 4 there. Sad. It'll show up here and we can see the total and how it breaks up.